Meaning of dual controls.
Dual controls.
Dual controls.
Dual controls.
Dual controls. Dual controls refers to the system in vehicles such as cars or aircraft where there are two sets of controls, one for the primary operator and one for a secondary operator. The primary operator typically has more control and can override the secondary operator's actions if necessary. Dual controls are often used in training situations where an instructor needs to take control of the vehicle if the trainee makes a mistake. They can also be used in emergency situations where a second operator is needed. Ultimately, dual controls provide an extra level of safety and control in certain situations.